a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get your lifestyle.
Duku's Spoken English Tutorial, Level 3, Day-12. সে নিরপরাধ নয়. He isn't innocent. Common past. Really? Make sure. অথবা maybe. I'm not sure. এর ন্যায় বিচার চাই. Justice demanded it. Common past. Really? It sounds good. আপনার ভাই আমার সাক্ষী. Your brother is my witness. Common past. Really? লোকটি খুনের অভিযোগে অভিযুক্ত ছিলেন. The man was accused of murder. Common past. Really? সে মাত্র 3 দিন হাজতে ছিল. He was in the lockup for 3 days. Common past. Yup, he was. সে জামিনে খালাস পেয়েছে. He was released on bail. Common past. Really? অথবা yeah, such right. আপনি বিচার করুন. It's for you to judge. Common past. Sorry. অথবা please go ahead. সে আমার বিরুদ্ধে মামলা দায়ের করেছে। He filed a suit against me. Comment pass. Really? How terrible. পুলিশ মামলাটি অনুসন্ধান করছে। The police is investigating the matter. Comment pass. Really? আমি আপনার বিরুদ্ধে ফৌজদারি মামলা দায়ের করব। I shall file a criminal case against you. Comment pass. My God, please think about it. আজকাল মামলা মোকদ্দমা বেড়ে গেছে। Nowadays, litigation is on the increase. Comment pass. Exactly. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next time. Have a good time. Good luck.